Definition of information.
Information is a collection of facts, data, or knowledge that is organized and communicated in a structured or meaningful way. It provides insight, understanding, or answers to questions about a particular subject or topic. Information can be in various forms, including text, images, audio, video, or any other medium that conveys meaning. It is typically used to educate, inform, or guide individuals in making decisions or understanding the world around them. In the digital age, information is commonly accessed and shared through various platforms and technologies, such as the Internet, books, articles, databases, and other sources. Difference between data and information. Data and information are related terms but have distinct meanings and characteristics. Data. Data refers to raw, unorganized facts, numbers, or symbols that have little or no meaning on their own. It is typically in the form of discrete elements, such as characters, numbers, or symbols. Data can be collected from various sources and can exist in different formats, including text, images, audio, or video. Examples of data include temperature readings, survey responses, or a list of names and ages. Data alone does not provide any context or understanding. Information. Information is derived from data through the process of organizing, interpreting, and giving meaning to the data. It is the result of processing and analyzing data to generate knowledge or insights. Information provides context, relevance, and usefulness to data. It is structured, organized, and presented in a way that is meaningful and understandable to the recipient. For example, if we analyze temperature readings over a period of time and present the findings in a chart or graph, that becomes information that can help identify patterns or trends. In summary, data is the raw and unprocessed representation of facts, while information is the meaningful and interpreted output derived from data. Data becomes information when it is analyzed, organized, and presented in a way that allows for comprehension and decision-making. Data processing in computer. Data processing in computers refers to the manipulation, transformation, and organization of data to produce meaningful information. It involves various steps and techniques to convert raw data into a more useful and structured format.
Here is an overview of the data processing steps in a computer.
1. Input. The first step is to capture and enter the raw data into the computer system. This can be done through various means, such as typing data into a form, scanning documents, or importing data from external sources. 2. Data validation. Once the data is entered, it undergoes validation to ensure its accuracy, completeness, and conformity to predefined rules or criteria. This step involves checking for errors, inconsistencies, or missing values in the data. 3. Data cleaning. In this step, any errors or inconsistencies identified during validation are corrected or removed. It involves processes like removing duplicate entries, correcting misspellings, standardizing formats, or filling in missing values. 4. Data transformation. After cleaning, the data may need to be transformed or restructured to make it suitable for further analysis or processing. This can involve tasks like converting data types, aggregating data, or creating new variables based on existing data. 5. Data analysis. Once the data is cleaned and transformed, it can be analyzed using various techniques and algorithms to extract meaningful insights. This may involve statistical analysis, data mining, machine learning, or other analytical methods depending on the objectives and nature of the data. 6. Data storage. The analyzed data and the resulting information may be stored in databases or other data storage systems for future reference and retrieval. 7. Data visualization and reporting. The final step is to present the processed data and derived information in a visual and understandable format. This can be done through charts, graphs, tables, or reports to communicate the findings effectively. It's important to note that the specific data processing steps and techniques can vary depending on the nature of the data, the intended analysis, and the tools or software used for processing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more computer-related content. Thank you for watching.